Okay friends, today we are going to discuss about Cannizzaro reaction. What is Cannizzaro reaction? Here Cannizzaro reaction means in this reaction two molecules of aldehydes are heated with base and these aldehydes should be do not contain any alpha hydrogen. Cannizzaro means when two molecules of aldehyde heated with base, it undergoes self self oxidation and reduction self oxidation and reduction to form alcohol to form alcohol and carboxylic acid to form alcohol and carboxylic acid. This reaction is called Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, are you understand? What is Cannizzaro reaction? In Cannizzaro reaction, two molecules of aldehydes are heated with base. Here heated with concentrated base. For example, sodium hydroxide. At that time, it undergoes redox reaction. It can undergoes oxidation also, reduction also. Hence, it is called redox reaction to give product alcohol and carboxylic acid. In out of two molecule, one molecule is converted into alcohol and another is converted into carboxylic acid. This reaction is called Cannizzaro reaction. If we see the example, this is our aldehyde which is formaldehyde. Two molecule of formaldehyde when heated with NaOH which is concentrated means 50% of NaOH. When it is heated, it converted into one molecule of alcohol, methanol, plus another one is carboxylic acid. This is our methanol and this is methanoic acid. This reaction is called Cannizzaro reaction. Okay. If we see the mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction, next point is mechanism. Mechanism. The mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction can take place in three steps. Step 1 is, in step 1, the base, the OH group attack the carbonyl carbon of the aldehyde. This is our aldehyde. Here the base OH minus attack the carbonyl carbon. At that time, these pi bond electrons are shifted to the oxygen, which gives H, C, H. Here it become OH and this oxygen become minus charge. And this is the anion intermediate. This is the anion intermediate. Okay. intermediate is formed in first step. In step 2, this step is called proton transfer अथवा or hydride transfer. Hydride transfer step. In this step, the hydride means H is transferred to the another aldehyde molecule. See here, this is our intermediate and this is our another aldehyde molecule. Here the negatively charged, these electrons are shifted to here, the carbon oxygen bond become double bond. At that time this hydrogen goes with along with the bonding electron and attack to the this carbonyl carbon. At that time these pi bonds are shifted to the oxygen, then it becomes H C double bond O, this become OH plus H C single bond O minus, it become H and another hydrogen is added. Okay, this is the second step. In second step, these electrons are shifted to here, the carbon oxygen bond become double bond. At that time this hydrogen goes with the bonding electron as a hydride ion and it attack to the carbonyl carbon of the another aldehyde molecule to give this. This is the second step. Okay, in third step, step 3. In step 3, here the negatively charged oxygen, it abstract the proton from the this carboxylic acid. Here what happens, see H C double one O OH. Okay, and next H C O minus H H. This negatively charged oxygen, to attain the stability, it abstracts the proton from this carboxylic acid. At that time here these bonding electrons are shifted to the oxygen, then oxygen get become negative and this become OH, then it become H C double bond O, this become O minus plus another product is this H attack to the here, then it become H C H H, the O minus become OH. This is our alcohol, and this negatively charged oxygen, in first step we are using NaOH. Here sodium plus is there, this positively charged sodium atom attack to the this to give sodium salt of carboxylic acid. This is our carboxylic acid which is in the form of sodium salt. Okay, if you use sodium hydroxide, it becomes sodium salt of carboxylic acid. If you use potassium hydroxide, it becomes potassium salt of carboxylic acid. Okay, this is the Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, in Cannizzaro reaction, two molecules of aldehyde which does not contain alpha hydrogen are heated with base to give carboxylic acid and alcohol. This reaction is called Cannizzaro reaction, and Cannizzaro reaction is a redox reaction because in this reaction both oxidation and reductions are takes place. one molecule is oxidized to give carboxylic acid and another molecule reduced to give alcohol. And if you see the mechanism, it involves in 3 steps. In first step, nucleophile attack to the carbonyl carbon to form anionic intermediate. In second step, hydride transfer takes place. In third step, to attain the stability, the negatively charged oxygen abstracts the proton to give corresponding product carboxylic acid and alcohol. And this reaction also possible in benzaldehyde. This reaction is also possible in benzaldehyde. For example, this is our benzaldehyde. When two molecules of benzaldehyde are heated with base, strong base, then one molecule become carboxylic acid and another molecule become alcohol. Then it gives one molecule of alcohol. This is benzyl alcohol. This is alcohol, and another molecule here two, we are going to react two molecule of benzaldehyde. One molecule become alcohol and another molecule become C double bond O minus Na plus sodium salt of benzoic acid. Clear? Sodium salt of benzoic acid. This is the Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, hope you all understand. Thank you.